I was listening to some conversations, and these are some words that I heard you using. Anybody want to add anything to this list? Briefly. Cleo.
That Jada's is a third of Priya's.
Okay. Teddy?
Every 3 multiple of Jada is a multiple of Priya.
What'd you say? Every 3 multiples of Jada is Priya's?
Yeah.
All right. Beautiful. So with that being said, how would you describe the relationship between Priya's pattern and Jada's pattern? How would you describe it? Chris, how would you describe it?
I would describe it as, for Jada, Jada's rule would be 3. Jada's rule is adding 2 each time, but Priya's rule is 3 times as Jada's rule.
So you're going to describe it as Priya's is 3 times more than Jada's?
Yes, basically.
Sorry. And this example up there does show us that 3 times. I know, that's why I picked that. Reading my mind, huh? Another way to describe that relationship. Let me give Chris his point. Another way, I'll take a volunteer. Malaysia.
Wait, what was the question? I just forgot.
Describe the relationship between Priya and Jada's patterns. So Chris told us that Priya's is 3 times more than Jada's. You want to phrase it a different way?
The relationship between both of them that they both started with 0.
They did both start at 0.
And wait, can I get a second?
Sure. That's why I'm waiting. You know me. I can see your wheels turning, my friend.
Okay, that's all I got.
You want some help? Okay. Sasha.
When you look at Priya's, well, looking at that, they said divided by 3. So using that information on the picture, so 54 divided by 3 equals 18. 48 divided by 3 equals 16. So it's getting smaller when you go to Jada's, and it's bigger when you go to Priya's.
Beautiful. And Ava, one more.
If you're starting with Priya's rule, it would be divided. If you're going down from Jada's rule, it's divided by 3.
Okay. All right. Then my next question is, what can I multiply in the terms Priya's pattern to get Jada's terms? Let me say it again. What can I multiply the terms in Priya's pattern to get the terms in Jada's pattern? Give everybody a second. You want me to read it one more time? Yeah. All right. What can I multiply the terms in Priya's to get Jada's? Giving everybody a second. I'm going to give you some time to think. All right, turn to the person next to you. Talk about that for a second.
You know how Priya's is and you divide by 3? How would you divide by 3 with multiplication?
Charlie, you can partner.
Like, if you were dividing, like, 9 divided by 3, it's not the answer. How could you multiply it by something to get it to the same thing?
I couldn't hear what she was saying because Karen was talking.
9 divided by 3. Well,
I don't know because I didn't know what she just said out her mouth because Karen was talking. I was trying to tell her.
Yeah, so I was telling you, so I couldn't. 3.
Oh, wait, what she said?
Priya has 6.
It would be minus
What she said? Because people was talking about me.
No, it wouldn't be. Because there's a way to do it. Like, what did I say?
Multiply the term in Jada.
I don't want to give
What
too
do
much
you
away.
multiply Jada's terms to get?
All right, and if I could have you back in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, we had an aha moment over here. Lily, tell us what we can multiply by.
1/3 because it's the same as dividing by 3.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So 1/3 is the same as multiplying by, or dividing by 3, sorry. All right, questions, comments, concerns about that? All right, well then, we're gonna revisit our warm-up one last time. Let me take my paper, make sure I get it right.
What time do you leave this class?
I want this. All right.
We leave at 10:15. We go get
So what relationships between the patterns in the choral counts? What were their relationships here? What were the relationships between the list of 6 and the list of 12? Yara.
They both has 12, 24,
Okay.
6,
Okay.
48.
So we're still with those similar numbers, but what's their actual relationship this time? How are they related this time? Dylan?
They both started at 0 and kept
Not
adding
bad.
up by 12.
So again, how did I get from 60? How is that related to 120? 24, how is that related to 48?
Because all they did was like add up by 60.
Not quite. Kwamir.
Because 60 is a half.
Yeah.
The half of 20. 120.
We don't even have half up here.
Yes, we do.
Yes, you do.
Oh, I do have have. I'm going to put having because he actually used the verb. He actually halved the 120. So I'm going to go with that too. So you're right. Half's up at the top because you did use that. Good. Yes, I agree with Kwamir also. Anybody else want to? Chris?
So,
Rephrase add-on?
so for the 12, it's twice as time.
Oh, we don't have twice. We have doubling, but we don't have twice as much.
And
I'm glad I called on Chris. I got a bonus up there.
And for the 6 number pattern, it's divided, or as Kwame said, half as 12.
I don't think we have divide up here, do we? All right, I guess I'm going to write it over here. Divided by 2. Chris gave me 2. All right. Miss Hoffman. Miss Hoffman's going to go to